welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you along while I start decluttering all of my clothes and getting ready for spring and things like that. We're going to do some decluttering for spring. I have a lot of clothes, and at my mom's home I don't have a lot of space to store my clothes. Because my husband kind of has the closet, so he has a dresser and then he hangs some of his stuff. He's always been the type of person that likes to hang his clothes, and honestly I could care less if mine are hung or folded. It doesn't really bother me. So he has a dresser in there and hanging space, and then I have like some baskets in there that I have clothes in, and then I also have this dresser which I just emptied. I put everything on the bed because this dresser here, I don't know if you guys can see that, the drawers are really small, and in a few videos past I built an IKEA dresser that I painted green that I might move in here because the drawers are bigger and they hold more things. So I think I'm going to swap them out. I'm going to put the one that's behind me in the living room and then bring the green one in here just so I have some more room to like store my clothes. I am going to go through it. I'm going to take out a lot of my heavy knit sweaters and pack those away. I'm going to keep a couple out just to have, but then pack the rest away for spring and summer. And then I look kind of blurry, sorry about that. I'm not going to dig out my summer clothes yet because it's still really cold here. It's not short weather yet, but they are in a bin just over my mom's laundry room. They're not far. I can go through those as well if I need to. And then yeah, like I said, I've taken everything out of this dresser. I laid it all out on her bed. I'm gonna go through it, declutter it, and start putting stuff away, but I'm going to bring in this other dresser first. But I have to go clean out the other dresser first to move it in here. So that's what I'm going to go do right now, and we'll see you back here in just a little second.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking. We're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're
Okay,
still
so
free.
this is all of my dresser clothing, the stuff that I put in my dresser. I have all my jeans. I got some new tanks for summer, t-shirts, sweaters, crew necks. These are my long sleeve shirts. I'm going to go through them and probably keep a couple out for summer just in case I need them. These are all of like my graphic tees. Some bras that I got to go through and put those away. And then leggings, jogging pants, a couple knit sweaters, but this is the closet. It's kind of a mess right now, so bear with me. But my husband hangs all of his clothes, and then he has his dresser, and then I have this thing, And then I have a couple of these baskets up here full of stuff. That basket there is my husband's shorts. That's a couple pairs, extra pairs of pants of his, because it's kind of hard to open this dresser with all that stuff there. So I did put some of his pants up here, but I got to go through all of those baskets and these baskets as well. I don't know if I'll get to those today, but I'm gonna start for sure with this stuff because that's the stuff that's going in the dresser. And I did get the dresser moved in here. I just didn't film that part because it was a lot of work and I was starting to sweat. So let's go through this stuff and come along with me.
And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me to. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
Okay, good morning. So it is the next day. I did the dresser, decluttering the dresser yesterday. Sorry, like my face is all red and stuff. I'm broken out and I'm gonna try, I heard some good things about red light therapy, so I might do that to help with my acne. I ended up getting acne after, well, it started a little bit right before I got pregnant with my second child, but it got way worse after having my second child. So I need to, and I have really bad rosacea as well. So I need to figure this out because I've been trying all these different products and they're just not really helping. Like some will tone down the redness and stuff like that, but other than that, it doesn't really take it away, and I don't really know what to do. They did, my doctor did mention Accutane, but there's a lot of side effects to Accutane and I don't know if I want to do that or go that route. But I did hear good things about red light therapy. So if anyone has any experience with that or knows anything about it, please let me know in the comments below, because I would definitely like to try that and see. At this point, I'd like to try anything to help with this, but I have no makeup on today. I'm just decluttering and cleaning today, so there's no point in getting ready. Like, who cares? Who cares anyway, really? But I made a mess. I took everything out of the baskets and threw it on the bed. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. So we need to go through all of that stuff and declutter and organize and put it all back in the closet. So that's what we're doing on this part of the video today. That's what I'm doing today. And yeah, it's just a lot of work. There's a lot of clothes here and I'm just like, I really don't need this many clothes at all. I just don't. So, and I know some of the stuff doesn't fit anymore, so I do definitely need to go through that stuff, pare it all down and figure it out. Anyways, let's get on to the second half of this video because I have a lot to do. Okay, let's go. Oh, I don't know if you can see me. Just look at this craziness. Like, this is just way too much. And my dresser isn't full. Like, I definitely pared some things down, but like I said, this dresser has bigger drawers, so more things fit in it, but I just have way too much. Like, way too much. I could just go for a nap right now. But I need to go through this stuff, so let's get at her. We'll do dresses first. I have a million baskets. We'll put dresses in this one. Okay, so I do like this one, especially if we do like family photos or something. So, but that's really all I would wear it for, or if we go on like vacation or something, but I do like it.
that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you.
I'm just looking too, like I have 2 sets of packing cubes, which I don't really need 2, but well, I guess kind of, because if I'm packing for me and the kids, it's kind of nice because I can use the pink ones, they can use the beige ones, and things like that. But usually I just keep other things in here, like my toiletry bag, which I'm probably going to get rid of because I have one that came with this set that I like more, and that's the one I've been using. I put all my everyday stuff in it, and that's what I use. So I think I'm just going to get rid of this one. This one's very old. This is probably 10 to 12 years old. I had this one for a really long time, so I think it's time to retire that one. And then the other things I have in here, and I usually keep all of the travel stuff together. So like this should go in here because that's going to be for travel as well. But I also have this fanny pack in here, but because it's pink, I don't find it goes with everything, so I'm never grabbing for it. When we go to Florida, I typically just will take the backpack instead of using this because it doesn't always match everything. So yeah, that kind of stinks in that way. But the other things I have in here are like the cooling towels. I should have 2 of these actually. I should have a pink one somewhere. I don't know where it is. But I did have 2 of these. I had a blue one and a pink one. And then I have like our cell phone cases for like water and stuff. So all of my travel stuff just kind of stays in one little pack. But that bugs me. I know I have a pink one, so I gotta figure out where that went. Maybe it's in here. Oh, I do have more stuff in here. Okay. That would make sense. Okay, there it is. I do have the pink one. And I do have this one, which is the other fanny pack that I took on the most recent trip, but my mom's going to use this one. I wanted one that was a little bit bigger. That's why I went and got this one, but my mom's probably going to use this one. Anyways, I got nervous there for a second because I thought I lost it. And then I also have these, which are for like the toiletries. It's like the 1 liter bag that you can put your liquids in. So I have those as well. Anyways, off on a long tangent that I really did not need to go on, but thought I'd share them with you guys. Also need compression socks when I travel because I do have high blood pressure and heart disease, and to prevent blood clots I wear compression socks. That can go in with my travel stuff as well.
Was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
stuff in my, I still have this. I can't believe I still have it, but it is my high school wrestling jacket that has my name on the back, and then Cavs because we were the Cavaliers. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I still have this. This is like, I got this in grade 11 or 12, grade 11 I think. So that was like, geez, too many years ago to count. I don't really want to age myself, but this year will be like 16 years since I graduated, so it could be 17 years old, or is it? I don't know. I don't want to do math right now. But anyways, it's very old. I still have it, and it goes with me to every house that I've ever moved to, and I don't know, it's just something that I've always kept, so still keeping it. Okay, so the bed is all clear now. Yay. All the declutter is gone. All the baskets are put back in the closet. I did the 4 here, and then I just put the other ones up here. This one is empty, so I do have more room to put some stuff, but not that I need any more stuff. But I have it just in case. And then this is all of the stuff that I am donating. This bathing suit's actually my mom's. It was just down in my stuff because I took it a few years ago on our Dominican trip, and it's been in with my stuff ever since. So it's time to give that back. But yes, I have all of this stuff that I can donate, which is great. And then the TV is still over here on the floor. I still have a lot of stuff to do up here, but we're getting there. It's getting better in here. I do need to get a new curtain because I don't like the black, but we're making progress, guys. TV might go up here, not sure yet. That's where it was when they had the other dresser in here, but we shall see. Anyways, this is where we're at. So yay, bed's clear. Okay, so that is all to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps me out. And definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy decluttering videos, thrifting videos, homemaking videos. I do lots of those types of videos here on this channel, and I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!